Good morning, everybody. We are out here at Life's a Grind for our Gears and Grind car meet over here in the Raley's parking lot in Galt, California. We have our meets every last Sunday of the month from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So come on out, come visit us. We got a bunch of cars here. We'll be walking through here. Note in the comments, let us know which one's your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe. Get these videos out for you guys. But anyways, we got some nice cars out here. Got a little El Camino with a 396. Looks like an, what is this, an LS swap? No, it's a, early 90s fuel injection system. Not bad, not bad. Come on out. There's plenty of cars out here, and try to get here before 10 o'clock. Everybody starts heading to church around 11, so come on out. Like I said, like, subscribe, and note in the comments which ones are your favorite vehicles. We have quite a few cars out here for you guys to come take a look at. People are coming and going. Got a big group over here. Just come on out. If you have any questions, ask people how they did what they did to their cars, so you can do it to yours. Real nice cars out here, you guys. Which one's your favorite? Beautiful paint job. There we go. We got a little pink Volkswagen. We got quite a few Volkswagens over here. We have a Volkswagen group that comes out from Elk Grove. We get cars coming in and out all the time. So every hour there might be a new car or a car left already. LS and a Ford. Yep. Oops. There's Wes. He helps me put it on this. He does a lot of the work though. These two here, Air Ride. Got a few new cars in the mix. Impala, not bad. This one's pretty, oh, it's up for sale. Nice little Chevelle. Some old school stuff. But we're opened up to anything.
I actually like the long ones.
2 wheels, 4 wheels. Come on out. Bring it out. Come enjoy it. And like I said, there's still more cars pulling up. A little after 9 o'clock. Some beautiful cars out here. Can't wait to go see that 69 over there. I got a 69 at my shop right now. Very beautiful Mach 1 Mustang. Look at that. That's beautiful. We'll go pull over and go look at the T-buckets near the end of the video. Everybody loves the Mater truck. Got a few more over here. We go chase down those 2 or 3 that just pulled up. Oh, there they are. We'll head over there. But like I said, we're over here at Life's a Grind in Galt, California, every last Sunday of the month from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So come on out. Cars are coming in and out constantly. So there's always something new every other hour. Come make some new friends, get some new ideas. Two little T-buckets just pulled in, so I'll get you some video of that before we take off. But like I said, like and subscribe. Thank you very much. You guys have a good day.